Welcome back to my channel. Today video we are going to look at field map. So we are going to look at how you can create field map in Microsoft Excel. So this is the data that I'm going to use, and it has unique identifier, which is farm ID, and then county, sub-county, which is the location, the gender, age, crop, farm size, yield, income, fertilizer use. For my field map, I want to use the county and then the income. But now I have many entries for one county, and the field map is not going to work very well when if I'm going to use this data like this. So I'm going to sum up the income by county. So I'm going to sort pivot to help me. So I will highlight and then insert pivot tables, put county in the rows, the income in the values. Let it be sum. I will copy this here. Then row labels, put county. Here total income. Highlight this data and go to insert, recommended charts, the field map. So I can change, so I can have it this way. This one is dark. This one is only showing those counties. This one is showing all of the. So we can have the title to be income by county. When it comes to elements, I can show then the color, can have this. So we have our field map, and depending on the color, as the color become concentrated, the income is increasing. So you can click here. This is Kisumu County. This is Migori. This is Busia. Then this is Homa Bay. So for counties, which county has highest is Kisumu. Thank you so much for watching this video.